Imagine a computer so powerful it makes our current ones look like toys. This isn't science fiction, it's the promise of quantum computing. Instead of bits which can be either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits. Qubits are strange, they can be 0, 1 or both at the same time. This both at once ability is key to quantum computing's power. It allows these computers to tackle problems that would take classical computers billions of years. Think of it like this. A regular computer is like a bicycle, while a quantum computer is like a spaceship. Both can get you places, but the spaceship can travel to distant galaxies. This new era of computing is poised to revolutionize medicine, material science, artificial intelligence, and more. Classical computers are like light switches. They can be either on, 1 or off, 0. Quantum computers are like dimmer switches. Their qubits can be on, off, or somewhere in between. This in-between state is called superposition. Another key difference is entanglement. Imagine two coins flipping and landing on the same side, even if they're miles apart. That's entanglement. Entangled qubits influence each other instantly, no matter the distance. These unique properties give quantum computers a huge advantage for certain tasks. For example, imagine searching through a maze. A classical computer would have to try every path one by one. A quantum computer could explore all paths simultaneously. By 2025, we can expect significant progress in quantum computing. We might see more powerful and stable qubits. This would allow us to build more complex and reliable quantum computers. New algorithms specifically designed for quantum computers are also on the horizon. These algorithms will unlock the true potential of quantum computing for solving real-world problems. Early applications are likely to focus on areas like drug discovery and material science. Imagine designing new drugs and materials with atomic precision. The possibilities are truly limitless. While quantum computers won't replace your laptop anytime soon, their impact will be felt in many aspects of our lives. More efficient solar panels, personalized medicine, and ultra-fast financial modeling are just a few possibilities. Quantum computers could also lead to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence. Imagine AI assistants that can truly understand and respond to our needs. The future with quantum computing is bright, filled with opportunities to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges.